Hi everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts, and I'm going to be making over this little window, I guess, window thing that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using this Inspire sign and this wall removable tile decal that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using my elephant paint and possibly my lagoon paint. So first things first, so I'm going to take this off of here. This is going to have to get either heated up or pulled off somehow. I'm not sure how I'm going to get that off yet. But if you look at the back of this, there's these little screws in here. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get this back part off of here. So I'm going to unscrew this. Okay, yep, there, and this should pull right off of there. So what I want to do is, first I need to get this glue off of here. And then if you can see this, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like these little plastic edges on here. And it's not all over, it's just in certain spots. But I have this nail file that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to go ahead and try to sand. Oh yeah, that comes off pretty good. Sand the little edges off here. Okay, so now that I have that, I mean, it's pretty good. If I had to spend a little bit more time, I'd probably look a little bit better. But what I'm going to do is I am going to paint this with my elephant chalk paint. I don't know how well it's going to stick to the plastic, but we're going to find out. I just want it a little bit darker. It's kind of a little too light for my taste. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a coat all the way around, inside and out, with the elephant chalk paint. Okay, now that I have a coat of gray on there, I am going to take this lagoon color, Waverly chalk paint, and that's the color I think I'm going to paint my, yeah, I think that'll look good together. I'm going to paint my Inspire that color. Now I am going to put a second coat of the gray on there, so I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm probably going to get about 2 coats of this lagoon color on my Inspire sign here. I'm going to try to get as much as I can on the insides of the letters too, so the dark's not showing. Okay, I got 2 coats on here, and it's still drying a little bit, but I don't think that I'm going to put Mod Podge on there. But I suggest if you make this project that you put Mod Podge on it just so the paint doesn't scrape off. And then I have this little Inspire, and I was kind of looking at my colors, and to me it kind of looked like it was maybe a little too bright for the project. So I'm just going to take some of my elephant chalk paint, and I'm going to dry brush some of that on here just to darken it up just a tad bit. Okay, so now to me that looks a lot better. And then when I take this and put it up next to it, I just think that's gonna look way better. So I'm gonna set these aside for right now, and then I'm gonna take that back part of the window that I have here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this to figure out where I'm going to put this on my project. So I'm just kind of sizing it up. I know I want this to be in the middle as much as possible. I can't go right in the middle because otherwise the decal's not big enough. So I'm just going to have to move it down a bit. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to take this, and I'm hoping it's going to go through here good enough. And I'm hoping I don't move the plastic at all. At least even if I can just get like an outline where it's going to get cut. Oh, see, I moved it already. Let me see if I can line that back up. All right, and then I'm just going to go around the other side. All right, let's see how well that cut through there. It's not that bad. All right, so then I'm just going to take my scissors here, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm sorry if this is like totally shining in your eyes. I need lights to film my video. But anytime there's anything shiny or glossy, it blinds people. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut out. And then we are going to start assembling our project. Okay, I have it all cut out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little window frame here. And then I am going to place this in here. I did have to do a little bit of trimming. It was just a little large. And then I'm gonna put the back on here, and this should hold this in place. So I gotta find my screws here. I don't think I'm gonna hang this on the wall, but I think I'm just gonna put this little hanger back in here anyways. All right, all the screws are in, and look at that. Oh, that looks super cute. I really love that. And then the last thing, I think the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little Inspire, and I am going to put this on here, and I'm gonna try first to use some of this super glue. I'm just gonna stick it in 3 spots. Hopefully I hit the frame here. And that I got from Dollar Tree, in case you were wondering. Okay, so I thought I was done, but to me it just looked a little bit plain yet. So I got this stitch ribbon, this blue stitch ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just made myself a little bow, and I'm just gonna stick a bow at the top of the window. I think that's just gonna top it off and just give it a little bit extra. And I'm using super glue instead of hot glue because I'm afraid that it won't stick to the plastic very good, the hot glue, that it's just gonna come off. So I figured it was a little bit safer using the super glue. So, there, that is it. Oh, I got a little super glue on my picture here. Hopefully I don't have to repaint that. But that's it. It's all finished. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I think this turned out really cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope that you subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks. Bye.